it's me, I'm Jess. So today I will review my old slimes. So I got lots of slimes here, but there's lots of my favorites too. So let's get into the video. So I got lots of slimes here. Look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 slimes. And lots of these are green, if you guys want to know, because my favorite color is green. Let's put it back and let's review this old slime. Look at the blue one. Oh, it's like, this is water slime, guys. Look at this. But the water slime, I really don't like about water slimes because we almost can't play with it except for the jiggly thing. Like, so from the jiggly thingy, the water slime, for the color, I love blue, but nah. Let's put back. I will rate it, like, for me, I will rate it 2 out of 10 because it's like, yeah, I don't like water slimes. I don't like, the next slime is this one. For me, this is my favorite slime because look, from the looking out here, it's like a green smoothie. It's like a green smoothie. On top there's a straw and lots of ice cubes. Let's open it up. Ooh. This slime is like a glossy slime, so I wanna, it's a glossy slime, look. Ooh. Look at this. Like, ugh. Like, there's still blue. So look at the add-ons. Look, there's some glitter inside. I hope you guys can see it. Oh, here it is. It's a glitter. So we got some stars, we got hearts, and so much more. Oh, I love the slime. I hope you guys enjoy the ASMR because, like, yeah. Ooh. Let's okay. Oh, okay, what ifs? Because I have, so let's do it like this. Ooh, look at the add-ons, guys. That's so cool. Let's do it. That's, oh. It's a bit rippy, but what else? It's a bit rippy, but you know what? I love this one. Let's give it an 8 out of 10. Because the bubble pops are so cool. I want to make a bubble. I want to make a bubble. Ooh, look at this. Okay. The next one is the Mixu one. Look at this one. Oh, it's also green too. If you guys want to know, it's green too. Wait. Okay, that's great. Because I need a bit of lightening. Lightening. Ugh. Okay, let's grab it outside and let's close it. Oh, this is a glossy slime too. If you guys want to know, this is a glossy slime. Look. Ooh, we got a bubble. That's so cute. Okay, just stop being aggressive. Look at this. Ooh. Like, I love about this slime because there's lots of bubble pops and the texture is so nice. Actually, for real, for this one, I thought it's not a water slime, but when I play with it, it's a water slime, because I thought it's not a water slime, but when I play with it, it's a water slime. It's like, huh? Why I buy a water slime? Let's put it in. So for the fourth slime, let's do this. So if you guys want to know, Ansha, why is ice cream thing? Because it's not an ice cream. It's actually like there's too many, because a long time ago I added some things and some stuff, and then the slime is much bigger. If you guys want to know why there's a camera up there, because my mom and my dad loves to go somewhere. If they go somewhere, my mom and dad can watch me from here. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at the slime. Ugh. It's a bit of sticky. I'm so sorry if it's like this. So, it's a bit sticky. Oh. It's a bit sticky, like sticky. Oh. I don't have an activator. Okay, it's like a milky slime, guys. So, but I love the bubble pop so much. It's like, but if you guys want to stretch this, you need an extra stretching. I don't know why. I don't know what to say. So, ooh, look at this. This is so cool. The bubble pops are so cute. It's like, it's a milky slime, not a glossy slime. So this slime is a milky texture. Look, ooh, so cool. Ugh. Okay. Ooh. Ugh. It's like so. Ooh, look at the bubble pops. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Right back. The bubble. That's so cute. I love it. The last one is this one. This is actually one of my favorites too, because inside of these there's lots of add-ons. There's like, oh, we got some stars, some hearts, and we got like this circle shape. We got other shapes, and we got alphabets. We got an O, and we got a M, and we got what is it? Got a Q. Look at the Q here. Oh, where's the Q? Oh, that's the Q. That's here. This. Okay, guys, if you guys love this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to smash that like button. And see you guys. Bye. Ooh, look at it. Subscribe to my channel, and you guys can watch more videos here.